Hi guys, maayong hapon. Alas 2:37. So today I received this, yung order ko. Ano to? Package 2, yes, package 2. Second package of my order. Yung isa na lang yung hindi pa dumating. Yung reflectorized na sando type na vest. So, ito yung unang dumating is yung game handle. Tapos ito, 3D helmet holder. Yan. So, bubuksan ko. This is just a quick unboxing. The products I ordered from Lazada. Okay, unbox natin. Okay. Nice. Congratulations. Instead of 3D helmet holder, you received the new version 3D Helmsuit helmet holder with suit hanger. So 10 times stronger from the previous version. Added functions. You can now hang your suit together with your helmet. Truly Filipino pride. The 3D Helmsuit holder has a patent pending design. Maraming salamat po sa pagbili at suporta sa gawang Pinoy na produkto. God bless you. God bless you din po. Okay, mabuksan natin. Okay. Yan. Yamaha ang logo. Yan kasi ang pinili ko kasi Yamaha motor ko. And likod merong ano yan siya, Hank ba yan? Patent pending 0220 1600353. So ganyan yung itsura niya. Tapos lagyan mo lang yung helmet yan. So hanapan ko ng pwesto ito sa bahay. Saan ko ilalagay? So that's it guys. Quick unboxing of the product I ordered from Lazada PH. Second package, 3D helmet holder version 3, version 2. Version 2 So new version, walang version 2 kasi unang design iba. So ito yung version 2. Version 1 iba yung design. So sabi pwede mo daw maghang ka ng yung suit mo, riding suit. Pwede mo daw ihanger dyan. And matibay naman talaga. Matibay. Binalibali ko siya kanina, matibay talaga. So swak. So thank you guys for watching. Order na. Tsaka yung mag-order kayo sa Lazada, kung mag-order kayo, check the reviews para malaman nyo kung peke o rig, or kung yung product ba maganda. May mga bad reviews, doon kayo kumuha ng mga yung mga basihan. So okay guys, post ko muna to sa YouTube.